You guys, I'm so excited about the perfect pickle pipes and pickle pebbles. Easy way to pickle and ferment vegetables. You can look, it's so easy. I just found these and you might already know about it, but I am so excited we're going to discuss it today. Okay, you guys, wow. So this company, masontops.com, you can order these on Amazon, that's where I got it. Links below. So they're these simple little silicone CO2 releases that got a little nipple there that releases gas. And you can just put it on top of your mason cap. So easy. So they have a bunch of awesome things. They also have the Pickle Pebbles, very cute names. Pickle, I think this should be called the pickle nipple, but it's called the Pickle Pipes. Pickle Pipes. So you guys know how much I'm into pickling, and I have the perfect pickler before. We have to put water in here and put it in here, and this gasket dissolved or went away, and you have to put this in, and and there's a few other ones. There's one where I showed you where you had just a little, it was a metal mason jar, but I kind of like these silicone better because they don't rust. You know, they get kind of rusty, these tops. They also have amazing other tops. They've got bamboo tops. They've got bean screens, top that'll work on any mason jar, but it has little holes in it so you can rinse and release and make sprouts easy. They've got basically the same thing like this for coffee. I didn't know you had to like aerate your coffee, but without letting air in. Because the whole thing with pickling, you don't want the vegetables to be exposed to oxygen, otherwise you can have a little thing of mold on top, which you can really just scrape off and eat the pickles anyways, but it's kind of gross. So with these, you don't even have to, the CO2 will escape these tiny little holes, these little nipple, tiny little holes here. It's so awesome. So it comes in 4. I got these at Amazon. It's PBA free, no mold, no maintenance. It's really simple. And then these I bought also from Amazon, 4 clear glass fermentation weights. Because in the past I've done this, we push it down, because the whole thing with fermenting and pickling is you want to make sure that the vegetables are below, submerged in the brine, because otherwise it can be moldy. Aren't these cute? Look, little glass. So we're using 2 of these. They're pickling at the moment. Ah! They've got 2 different sizes, one for the smaller and one for these, and you can just push it down, and then that's it. I'll show you what it looks like. Look, see? Ah! With these, ah! I'm gonna turn it around so you guys can see this. Oh my, I'm hungry. There we go. Check it out. Okay, so I am opening this just to show you. You don't have to open it. Oop, it's sealed. Look at that. So this little thing is just a little nipple. Just put it in. So that's the brine, and now there's a glass. That's the glass thing right under there. See, you just slip one of these in. I don't need another one because I have one in there. And well, it's good. You can kind of see how it's in there. It's keeping the vegetables under this brine. Just like with this one. Same thing here. Whoop. That's it. Simplest ever. My favorite. I love it, you guys. So I'm just gonna leave this, for a few days. This with the purple one, it gets really bright. This one we could be close to done over here. This one I'm gonna leave for a few days because it's only been like 2. So awesome! Yeah! Isn't that dope? So this is the coolest company that I've found. masontops.com. They also have all these other mason tops just for storage. They have a top that you can put on top that's chalk. So you can, like, if you were storing a bunch of spices in a drawer or something in a mason, you could write what it is on top with chalk. It can change. Isn't that neat? They're so clever. This company was created by these 2 best friends from when they were kids, and one of them had a huge amount of mason jars that were passed down from his family, which I think is really cool. So even though I've never had an issue, I don't even think you necessarily need these guys. These cool, very pretty weights, the Pickle Pebble, but they come in such a cool box. Ah! They're so pretty though, and it kind of keeps the water down. The gas will come up without letting it pour up, because I've always had like the the juices, the brine come up through here, and I lose a lot of the yummy juice, which I kind of like to add in to make salad dressing. So this is kind of keeping it down. It's still escaping a little bit, but for the most part, it's keeping it in. I like it. Oh, my cat's so needy. What do you need? There's 4 of these. So where did I get this? From Amazon. 22 bucks basically for these pebbles. You get 4 of them. They've got kits. You can have the pebble and pipes, which I probably should have gotten. The pebble and the pipes for 35. And they have even this cool stamper, like if you wanted to just use the juices from the cabbage, which I always add water. I just chop them up. Traditional sauerkraut, you mash it, you mash the vegetables in, and then you use all the water liquid is just from the vegetable itself. But this makes it easy. You can just mash it. You can put the vegetables in, mash it with this easy tool that just, you just use your mason jar. It's so cool. I like this company a lot. I just discovered it a few days ago. Shipped it quick with my Amazon. Very excited, you guys. Yeah, they have a complete mason jar kit where you have the pebbles. You get the pebbles and the pipes and the masher for $55. Pretty good deal, And they have, so these always corrode. They get rusty and then you have to chuck them. They have caps that are just silicone without the nipple that are completely sealed, and they have plastic ones like this. They've got bamboo ones, the screw top. It's a really cool company, you guys. I just wanted to share that with you because I think it's so healthy for you to have your fermented cabbage and vegetables of any sort. You could really be very culinarily explorative with all of the different spices and vegetables you can pickle. Come here. My new cat is so needy. She wants to cuddle. She's like, no, come back and cuddle with me. That's it, you guys. You gotta check it out. I got links in the description below and check it out. This is like so simple. There's no reason not to try it. And maybe you got the pickler before or the other little one. This one seems like the easiest, the cheapest. She's really needy today. She's all snuggling. Yay, let's pickle! Let's pickle up a storm. Fermented vegetables and really good for your skin and everything, honestly. So if you liked that video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. You can hit the bell button right next to the subscription button, and that will let you get notified when I do live videos at around 4 Pacific Standard Time on Tuesdays, and when we upload videos on Thursdays, you'll be notified right away. You could be the first person to comment. It's so exciting. Let's pickle up a storm. Pickle wiggle. Hey gang, it's Lita Lem's Apothecary Health and Beauty Hacks, and today we're going to discuss the pickle pipes. Come here. Ferment. Oh, there's my cat. Check it out. Making kimchi here. Making sauerkraut here. So you can put it on, but with these, blah, blah, blah. I have a very needy cat. Birds and, yeah, man. Hey, come here. Come here. Come here. So they have caps. They have, oh, you need